Hi everyone, this is Muhammad Hamidullah. So today we are going to discuss about kinematics. Kinematics. So we are going to discuss about some small topics, so basic concepts. So first, what is motion? Motion. What is motion? What is a motion? Motion means, for example, one body. One body means for one one car. One car. So is it in position A? It travels from A to B. It travels from A to B. Then what happened? First car is at in the position of A, and now car is in the position of B. Then what happened? It changes its position. It changes its position. The car changes its position. The change in a position of a body or a particle is called motion. Change in a position. Change in a position. Moment. Motion means change in a position. Position. After motion, we discuss about distance. What is the distance? What is the distance? For example, a body travel from A. It is the starting position of the body. The body travel from A to B. A to B. A to B. The distance between the A to B is 10 meters. What is the distance of the body means 10 meters. Again, the body travel from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F. Okay. A to B 10 meters, B to C 5 meters, C to D 4 meters, D to E 8 meters, E to F 9 meters. What is the distance of the body travel? What is the distance of the body travels means A to B 10 meters, B to E, B to C 5 meters, C to D 4 meters, D to E 8 meters, E to F 9 meters. 10 plus 5 distance I want to take as 10 plus 5 15, 19, 19 27, 27 plus 9 36, 36 meters. The distance of the body is 36 meters. Now, what is the displacement? Displacement. Displacement. I want to take distance as S, displacement taken as S dash. What is the displacement? What is the displacement? The first body, for first condition, in first example, the body travel A to B, from A to B. Then what happened? Body travel from A to B. How many meters it traveled? 10 meters. What is the distance of the body? 10 meters. Next, now what is the displacement of the body? What is the displacement of the body means? What is the starting position of the body? A. Ending position of the body? B. Okay. So the motion started from A, ending to B. So what is the displacement means? The distance between the when we draw the straight line between starting position and ending position, then what happened? This is the starting position, this is the ending position. What is the distance between starting position and ending position? That is S dash equal to 10 meters. Here distance equal to displacement. Distance equal to displacement. This is the shortest distance. Displacement means shortest distance. Okay. So in this second situation, second case or second example, so what is the initial position of the body? The first position of the body is A. What is the final position of the body? F. Okay. Now we can draw the straight line between initial position and final position of the body. For example, this is 20 meters. The distance between starting position and ending position of the body is 20 meters. That is the displacement of the body. 20 meters is the displacement of the body. If a body travel in a pendulum, like as a pendulum, okay, pendulum. For example, this is not pendulum. The starting position of the body A and final position of the body, it is the mean position. Final position of the body B. Is it final position B? No. Okay. The body starting position A. Okay. So it travels from A to B. Okay. It oscillates like A to B and B to E. B to A. Two motion. For two motion 10 meters. For flow motion 10 meters. Okay. So what is the distance of the body? Now what is the distance of the body? S equal to 10 meters plus 10 meters, 20 meters. Distance of the body is 20 meters. Okay. What is the displacement of the body? What is the displacement of the body? Starting position A and ending position, final position also A. When starting position, initial position and final position of the body is same, then what happened? The displacement becomes 0. The displacement becomes 0. Okay, the starting position of the body is and in the final position of the body both are same, then the displacement is 0. Okay. So next, another example. If a body travels in circular direction, it is started the motion from A. Okay. And so it is travel like circular motion and reaches the same position. So what is the displacement of the distance of the body? What is the distance of the body? Circumference of the circle. What is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. For example, radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is r equal to 7. When r equal to 7, then s equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. So s equal to 44 meters. S equal distance s equal to how much? 44 meters. Okay. Now displacement. What is the displacement? Okay. Displacement s dash equal to. What is the starting position? Initial position of the body A. Final position of the body A. So that's why the displacement becomes 0. The displacement becomes 0. If a body travel in half circle. This is half circle. If a body travels in a half circle means this is the radius r equal to 7. This is the radius r equal to 7. Okay. So the body travels from A to B. Okay. So like this it is travel. Okay. This is the direction of the body. Okay. Now it is a half circle. Half circle means the distance of the body. Distance of the body means distance of the body 2 pi r by 2. 2 pi r by 2. Half circle means 2 pi r by 2. 2 get cancelled. S equal to pi r. So r equal to 7. We know that r equal to 7. Then s equal to 22 by 7 into r. R means 7. 2 get cancelled. The distance of the body is 22. Distance of the body is 22 meters. So what is the displacement of the body? Displacement of the body S dash equal, what is the starting position? A. What is the ending position? B. Now we can draw the straight line between A to B. Then what happened? This is the diameter of the circle. So diameter means D. S dash equal to D. S dash equal to D means R plus R. So S dash equal to 2R. So the S dash equal to 2 into 7 means S dash equal to 14 meters. The distance that the displacement of the body is 14 meters. 14 meters. Okay. Then now we conclude that what is the distance? Distance. Okay. What is the distance? Distance means the total path. The total path. The total path covered by the body. Total path covered by the body. Total path covered by the body. What are the units of the distance? What are the units of the distance? Okay. We have number of units: centimeters, millimeters, okay, meters, kilometers, miles, okay, nautical miles, like that. Okay, number of units we have for the distance. So what is the SI unit of the distance is meter. The SI unit of the distance is meter. Next, displacement. Displacement means what? Displacement is denoted by S dash. So it is denoted by S. Okay. So what is the displacement? Displacement means shortest distance. Shortest distance. Or the straight line between. Okay, initial position to the final position of the body. Okay, this is the displacement, this is the distance. Okay, now what is a scalar and what is a vector? What is a scalar and what is a vector? Scalar, what is a scalar? The body, the physical quantity having only magnitude. The physical quantity having only magnitude. Okay, magnitude. The physical quantity having only magnitude but not direction is called a scalar. Next, what is a vector? The physical quantity having both magnitude and direction. The physical quantity having both magnitude and direction, then so it is called a vector. In this both distance and displacement, which is a scalar, which is a vector. So scalar, distance is a scalar because it does not have a particular direction. So that's why distance is a scalar. So what is a displacement? What is displacement? Is a scalar or vector? Vector. Why means it have a particular direction and magnitude. Okay, so that's why so displacement is a vector.